Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix when keeps updating on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keeps updating on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.